know what I'm crying for. I'm in the middle of the rain. This is my daily upload, that's why. Oh shit. Escaping cloud. Oh my god. I am all. Just kidding, I don't have aura, whatever. It's raining out here. I don't really care. If it does not hit my record button, then I'm fine. Just arrive at the car now, please. Oh my god. Imagine my dad asked me to take a shower later. Hell nah, man. I ain't doing that. It's past 1 minute. I'm uploading this as a short. Oh my, it's getting cold. Oh. I guess it's because of this. Well, we arrived at the car. Goodbye.